afternoon, everybody. Today we're looking at this nice 2015 Chevy LTZ 66 Duramax. This thing is clean as hell, man. Look at this SEMA truck build right here. Got a long list of mods, upgrades, everything on this thing. Start off, we got a 10 to 12 inch bulletproof lift. Dual front Fox shocks. Let's go take a look at those. Brand new. Look how clean them joints are. Oh yeah. Sitting on some 26 by 16 forces. Tall and wide. That's what you want. Wrapped in 40s. There's some Fury MTs. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's clean. Got an upgraded front bumper right here. 2 light bars. Got 2 each little light pods on the side. Truck has been tuned. Got the turbo back performance exhaust. Why don't we check this out? Got those automatic amp side step rails. Oh yeah. Oh, smooth. Got a spray and bed liner. A little hard to see this high up, but it's back there. Check out that exhaust tip. Ooh, you ain't never gonna see a truck like this. A solid build. Don't you guys worry, interior is just as clean as the exterior. Look at this baby. Oh yeah. Got tons of room in this truck. Truck has 0 rust on the body. Originally it was from Texas. This truck will be turning heads everywhere you drive it. Everybody be looking at you driving this thing around town. Inside's fully loaded. Leather seats, heated seats, power everything. Front to back, this truck is just excellent. You're not going to find another one in condition like this for sure. Mechanically, just serviced fresh fluids, new front steering blocks from Bulletproof. Front end is perfectly tight, drives like a new one. This thing drives like it just came off showroom floor. Real clean. For sure a SEMA build right here. It's ready to go. So it can win truck shows all day long. Be the eye of the truck means you show up with something like this. Come on and come check it out, Deluxe Motorsports. Check out our Facebook, check out our website. Truck is posted on there. ready to go.